Good Wednesday afternoon, Ohio State. I'm meteorologist Tyler Sebree here with your Buckeye TV weather update on this relatively cloudy Wednesday afternoon. As you can see, looking over the city this afternoon, 39 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. There are a few peaks of sun out there, and that'll probably last through the evening time. It is a little breezy. If you're walking across campus, be wary of that. It feels a little colder than what actually it is out there. 31 is what it feels like to you, to the skin, if you're walking across campus this afternoon. So it is kind of chilly. Don't let the temperatures near 40 deceive you. A few flakes or sprinkles with a very weak disturbance this evening. Most of us won't see anything at all. Otherwise, it's looking mainly dry through Saturday, except for one little thing. A large storm system Friday into Saturday, and actually Sunday as well, will move up the eastern seaboard from the southeastern United States. And the models continue to push it slightly towards the northwest, getting Ohio in on the action. So we might see some snow from that system in southeast Ohio. Nothing in Columbus quite yet. But if the models continue that northwest trend, we could get in on some action with that storm system. We'll have to fine-tune the forecast as the week goes on. And then a clipper system looks likely to bring some snow on Sunday into Monday. It looks light at this time, an inch or two, but exact accumulations, again, we'll have to fine-tune that forecast as we get closer. Radar, here's all that snow and rain and mixed precipitation that affected central Ohio earlier this morning. And here's what we're keeping our eyes on for this evening. It's going to slide off to the east-southeast, eventually getting into central Ohio. We might get a quick flake or a quick sprinkle later this afternoon into the early evening hours. Temperatures around the region, you got 26 in Denver, 66 in New Orleans, 48 in Kansas City, 32 in Chicago. Most of Ohio is in that cold air. If you go down to Kentucky, they're in the 50s. They're south of a stationary front. We're stuck in that colder air, and I don't think we're going to get out of the 30s for the rest of the week into the weekend. As we expand outwards, here's that system slowly moving off towards the east. A little bit of precipitation for this evening. And then this is what we got our eyes focused on with the Friday, Saturday, Sunday storm. A very large storm system, probably going to become a nor'easter and move up the eastern seaboard. Here's our low pressure. It's going to slide off towards the east-southeast by Friday a.m. south of Louisiana into the Gulf of Mexico. And then it's going to take off towards the northeast and be centered off the coast of New England. That's going to be the key part. Exactly where that low tracks is going to depend on who sees what precipitation and how far west it expands. Right now, I'm expecting snow in this oval here, but again, depending on the exact movement. And here's what our in-house forecast model is suggesting. Sliding on up the eastern seaboard. This particular model keeps Ohio dry, but again, some of them are showing that snow as far north and west as Columbus, or southeast Columbus rather. For the rest of the day, expect 41 at 4, 39 at 7, cloudy skies, a few sprinkles or mixed precipitation as we get into the early hours, or 1 a.m. right after midnight. Again, nothing significant. And that'll will dry out completely after about 3 or 4 in the morning and ultimately fall to 27 by your Thursday morning and warm up to roughly 34 tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies. It will be a completely dry day and not nearly as breezy as what we saw today. And as we look at your 5-day forecast overall, we'll cool down to 23 Thursday night. Friday looks mostly sunny with 38, so that's nice. We'll have to keep track of that storm with some snow to the south, possibly into southeastern Ohio. Saturday, 40, mostly cloudy. Sunday, 33, a little colder as that clipper moves in Sunday night into Monday, giving us a possibility of a light accumulating snow. 31 degrees for a high on Monday. It's your Buckeye TV weather update. Thanks for watching. Make it a great afternoon.